Okay, so here we are with my Solaris video. So as you can see, I'm doing it in VirtualBox, and I'll just close that because in the way. So I'm just going way over the top here. We have 4 gigs of RAM, not TFI, we just left that as it was. We'll use 4 CPU cores, all the video memory. I need to actually give it the Solaris disk. Where is it? Here? Maybe? Yeah, that's it, Solaris 11. Okay. Let's see if it works, because I did do this, but it was at least 3 months ago, because I meant to do this video then, so let's see. Okay, well that's good. That's a bit weird, but alright. You can see my CPU usage, memory usage, blah 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 up here. Yeah, this is different. Okay, 2015, I thought this was new. Maybe that's just when they last updated it then, we'll see. I know it booted before, so it should boot now. Here we go. Select the keyboard layout. Where's the English one? 26. And we want English, which is 3. I believe this runs some old Linux software, like maybe GNOME 2 and that kind of thing, so it should be interesting. I like GNOME 2. Much more than GNOME 3. It's not bad, but... Okay, well let's try this. Maybe? No. Oh, okay. No, I was just being impatient then, I guess. And you can tell it's doing something because of my CPU usage. Not being very quick about it though, even with full CPU cores. That's an old icon, it's a nice icon. Nice background though. Come on. 4 gigs of RAM and a quad core, get on with it. Here we go. Still booting. There we go. So we have... Okay, so connected to the internet. Yeah, so this is GNOME 2, isn't it? Doesn't run very quickly. Blah, yeah, 2.30. Alright, well let's install it. And then I'll test it properly. I don't know why this is running so slowly. Come on. There we go. I wonder whether you can use uname like on Linux to see what kernel we've got. For everything? Yeah, we can. Don't know what that means. Okay. Kernel 5.11. Alright. I don't know whether that's good or not, presumably. Local disks. This one. Partition the disk. We want to do that. Yeah, fine. Just use all disk because this is VirtualBox. London, time zone. No. My usual super secure password. Fine. Oh, come on. Alright then. That'll do. No, I'm not interested. Just anonymous. I figured 40 gigabytes should be enough for it. Yeah, I'll use 6. That's not like installing Ubuntu 10 or 12 or something. I did do this, did I say? I did this before in preparation for the video, but that was 3 months ago, so I really have no idea what I'm doing right now. But it should be interesting. CPIO transfer. Come on. Yeah, so this is nearly the last stage. Let's stick this on full screen. I'll get a bit less busy. There we go. Can't see what it's doing now. Oh, the menu won't come up. That's not very helpful. There we go. I'm not sure it's actually doing anything. But it is using lots of CPU power, so it probably is doing something. Come on. Okay, I think I'm going to be back with you when this is finished, because it's taking quite a long time. Okay, so just so you know, I'm going to try this again, and this time oh, I can't just click straight into the installer. I'll try that. Maybe that will work better. Yeah, it just sat there for like another couple of minutes without doing anything. I know this worked before. Okay, 26. 3. Okay. Using all of my CPU power there. Yeah, so this time I think this was basic graphics mode, so maybe that'll make a difference. If this doesn't work, I'm just going to go straight on to making my what's it? Making the OpenBSD video instead. And I'll probably post this anyway, at least to show that it's apparently quite difficult, but we'll see. Maybe I never installed it. I think I did. Okay, coming up to the end of the boot again. There we go. Open. Hello. There we go. Right. Local disks. Use the whole disk. I'm in the UK, London time zone. It's fine. Whatever. Good. Let's see what happens. Hopefully more than last time. Okay, so see down here it's doing stuff. And it might be working this time. Maybe not. Wonder whether I'm just being impatient. Right, well I'll be back with you when it's done. I'll just wait a bit longer this time. Okay, so here we are at the end of the installation by the looks of it. It had to take a little while. It's not too bad though. 10 minutes or so since I last showed you. So not awful. Not awful though. Not great, but not awful. Yeah, I was going to chat for a minute until this is finished, but I don't think it's going to be too long. So as you can see, it has name 2 on it. Pretty much everything else I have no idea, so I'm just going to have to look, which will make it a bit more interesting than the last time. And we will see, but you did see uname worked to see what kernel we're using, which is good to know. Come on. You can see from here it's doing something. I think it's probably just about done. Come on. So, yeah, there we go. Oh, I love this when he gets 100% and then you wait 5 more minutes. Why does that always happen? There. Great. Okay, so I'm going to split this up now, but see you in the next part of this post.